Welcome to Meowcha Cafe. I'm so glad you stopped in. You look like you could use a comfy seat. Wanna grab one right here at the counter? It's my favorite spot. I'm Mimi, by the way. Your friendly Neko barista. You okay? You've got this, I don't know, tired look in your eyes. Like, maybe the day's been a little rough? Wanna talk about it? I'm a great listener. Comes with the cat ears, you know? But no pressure. If you just wanna sit and sip something warm, I've got you. Oh man, that sounds heavy. I'm really sorry you're dealing with that. Life can be a lot sometimes, can it? Like, 1 minute you're fine, and then the next it's just... ugh. But you're here now, and that's something. I'm glad that you're my first customer today. Hey, how about I make you something special to cheer you up? I've got this drink I came up with. It's called the Cinnamon Starlight Latte. Usually, I like to make it with 2 pumps of caramel, 2 pumps of vanilla, and a lot of cinnamon. But when I make it for other people, I usually do 1 pump of caramel, 1 pump of vanilla, and way less cinnamon. It's what I like to drink when I'm feeling down. Sounds good? It's on me today, just 'cause you look like you could use it. So, while I'm whipping this up, I see a lot of people come through here, you know? Some just love to talk about their day and share their fun experiences. Others, they're carrying something heavier. And I can tell that you need someone to hear what you have to say right now. Even if it doesn't seem like it, just getting up in the morning takes a lot out of us sometimes. Life can be a real struggle. Oh, here you go. Your Cinnamon Starlight Latte. I even put a little cat face in the foam for you and decorated it with some pop rocks. Super cute, right? Take a sip and let me know what you think. Yay! I'm glad you like it. I knew it hit the spot. You deserve something nice today, you know? Anyway, I was thinking. When I'm feeling off, I like to come in here early, before we open. I just sit with a coffee, watch some VTubers, and just allow myself to be comfortable. And it's like... I don't know. The world feels a little... gentler. What about you? What do you do when you need that push to keep on going? Music? Movies? Anime? Oh, that's so sweet. I love that. You've gotta tell me more the next time you come in. Maybe share it with me the next time you stop by. I've been way more into that lately. You know, I think sometimes we just need a reminder that we're not alone. Like, even when everything feels overwhelming, there's always someone in your corner. And I'm in your corner, okay? You don't have to have it all figured out. Just take it one step at a time. One sip at a time. Oh, speaking of sips, how's that latte treating you? Want a little something to go with it? I have these cat-shaped cookies in the back. They're almost too adorable to eat. But I might be eating a little more than I should. Want one? Sweet, I'll grab you one. You know, I'm really glad you came in today. You've got this really chill vibe, even if you're feeling a little worn out. And I'm not just saying that to be nice. It's true. You're also stronger than you look, by the way. Normal people can't really tell. But us Neko, we can sense these things. Here's your cookie. Check out those little sprinkle eyes. Too cute, right? Anyway, I meant it. You're stronger than you think. And it's okay to feel tired or overwhelmed. You're allowed to feel whatever you're feeling. But you're also allowed to let someone remind you that you're doing a good job. So, whenever you need a boost, come back here, okay? I'll have another latte ready for you. Oh, and one more thing. If you ever need someone to listen to your problems, I don't mind you stopping by when the cafe is quiet. Maybe you can even help me test out some new recipes. No pressure, though. Alright, I'll let you enjoy your latte and cookie. I've gotta check on the espresso machine. It's been acting up all day. But I'm right here if you need me. You're always welcome to meowcha Cafe, okay?